Hey guys, today I want to make one of my favorite product lines, Olaplex, super simple for you. Some people say they love Olaplex and some people say they don't like Olaplex. The reason for that is there's a right way and a wrong way to use Olaplex. So today I'm going to quickly simplify Olaplex for you so you can use the right ones in the right ways and avoid the wrong ones in the wrong ways. If you don't know me, my name is Chris. I own a hair salon called Live Love Locks where we try out hair products and bring the best ones to you. I make these videos because way too many people struggle with their hair and I don't want you to be one of them. The first thing you need to know about Olaplex is that they do a really bad job of explaining that they actually have two different types of products. On one hand, they have repair products where if you have damaged hair, they will help you repair your hair, get it healthy again. The other type of product is styling products, and anybody that styles their hair can use styling products and get great results. And this causes a ton of confusion because for a normal person, there's no way for them to know that. They don't spend all day on hair. It doesn't say it on the label. It doesn't say it anywhere. So you end up with someone looking for a new shampoo and conditioner and they're like, oh, Olaplex, I've heard of that. Why don't I try that out? And that's actually a really bad idea for most people. Let's get into why that is. The shampoo and conditioner number 4 and 5 are really only for repairing hair. This is on the repairing side, has nothing to do with styling, only repair. I really do not recommend these. Do I sell them in my salon? Yes. Do a bunch of clients buy this? Yes, but I don't recommend it. There's two main reasons I don't recommend this. And the first one is a big one, and that's that the trade-off for having it repair your hair means it's actually very heavy in your hair. So it's not gonna last very long before you have to wash again. The heaviness is gonna make it feel oily and dirty and not clean. And the second reason is it's only good for damaged hair. So if you don't have damaged hair, this is gonna do nothing for you other than just make your hair feel heavy and dirty more quickly. So again, this is not a normal shampoo which you can just slide into any routine. I really don't recommend this. A much better option if you do need to repair your hair is actually Olaplex number 3. If you have damaged hair, I definitely do recommend you use Olaplex 3. This is my favorite product for repairing damaged hair. The only thing is it's not really comparable to any other product. The closest thing would be like a mask, except you use it on your hair and let it sit before you shampoo instead of after you shampoo. And by using this before you shampoo, you'll wash it out so you don't get any heavy feeling in your hair. Number 3 is very strong when it comes to repair, and there's really no downside. There's no heaviness like with a shampoo and conditioner. So it's the best of both worlds. You definitely do want to use this to repair your hair. All right, so moving on, we're gonna skip 1 and 2 because those are for professionals. You don't need to use those. We're gonna move right on to number 0. 0 is meant to be used with number 3 as a combination, but the thing is, number 3 actually does all the heavy lifting. Now 0 is okay, it's not a terrible product. If you're one of those people that likes to buy everything, the whole system, then go for it. Or if you're one of those people that just has to follow instructions no matter what, combine the 0 and the 3. But really, 3 does all the heavy lifting. I would stick with just number 3. 0 is not worth the money. Now moving on to the final repair product, we have number 8. Number 8 is a good product. I don't want you to get this wrong. Does it work? Yes. Is it a good product? Yes. But the thing is, I don't recommend it. Every hair brand like this is going to say, for best results, use this as part of our entire system and buy all these other products. And I love Olaplex, but you just don't need to do that. More Olaplex is not better. You really only need one repair product. This is almost like the upsell at the movie theater where they tell you it's only 30 cents to get a drink that's like this big. You just don't need that much. So if you really need to repair your hair, number 3 is gonna do a lot more than number 8. And if you really need a mask, which is what number 8 is supposed to be, you're gonna get better results with a better mask. All right, so that's all the repair product. Let's move on to now the styling products. Like we said earlier, you don't need to have damaged hair for this to work on you. The repair products are only for damaged hair, but the styling products can be used by anybody who wants to style their hair. The first is Olaplex 6. This can be used by almost anyone. You can use this if you air dry your hair. You can use this if you blow dry your hair. This is basically gonna smooth your hair out and get rid of frizz. All you're gonna do is put a little bit in your palm, rub them together, and then apply the product to your hair with your hands. The only thing is you do not want to use too much of this. This is a very heavy product. It may not seem like it at first, but this will really weigh your hair down. If you have fine hair or only a little bit of hair, you want to use like a half of a pea. If you have normal amount of hair, I would use a little bit less than a pea-sized amount. And if you have a ton of hair, then you can use a full pea. Overall, this is one of the best styling products from any hairline. It can be used on any type of hair, on any style, blow dry, air dry, whatever. One of our best sellers. Moving on, the next product is Olaplex 7, and you definitely do want to be using this guy if you have fine or medium hair. This guy is the best in the business when it comes to adding shine to your hair without adding any weight or oily feeling to it. You won't even know it's in your hair. That means it's great for fine and medium hair that tends to get weighed down easily. If you want to learn how to use this, I have a video right up here. Our last and final product is Olaplex 9, which just recently came out about a month or two ago. This is one of those tricky products where it's good, and a lot of people will love this product, but the thing is, it's just not the best. This is basically the same as Olaplex 6, but not quite as good. It's really close, don't get me wrong. I would prefer Olaplex 6 for getting rid of frizz, and this actually has the edge on giving a little bit of shine, but at the end of the day, I would still go with Olaplex 6 over this. So there you have it, the do's and the don'ts of Olaplex. I hope you'll use that to save time and money. The whole point of this channel is to skip the bad products and zoom in right on the best products that'll get you the most results. All the products that I recommend are linked in the description. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll make sure to get back to you. Have a good one, guys.